Hi everyone, welcome back to It's Dwight Cooking Show.
Hi guys, welcome back to It's Dwight Cooking Show. Today I'll be giving you a follow-up of, you guys might have seen my oven baked chicken. Well, I would call it a follow-up because this is the leftover from it, which I'll be giving you guys a cabbage and chicken recipe done from scratch. Now guys, here you see a list of my ingredients, always colorful as usual. Let me set this aside. And the star ingredients, the cabbage and the leftover chicken, as I said. So let's get this show started. Okay guys, I'm back. Now here I have half of the cabbage that I'll be shredding. Always can't remember which hand to do it from, so I'll be shredding it this way. Persons have their ways of shredding it, but I think this way is easier because you get it at the cuts that you need. And you can cut it in whatever sizes you want. Either you want it fine, you just take your time, or you want it chunky. Nevertheless, when you steam it, it's going to shrink, so I'll probably use up the next half. So guys, watch me as I just shred this cabbage. As I said, there are many ways you can do it, but I think this way, you see how easy it is to shred. And your knife has to be sharp to be going through. Okay. Alright, let me get a plate to put this in. Alright guys, so I'm done now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start the process. I get the stove light. Alright guys, I'm gonna get the stove lit. Add some olive oil, not a lot. Just to saute the herbs. And I add my garlic. My bell peppers. I need not to remind you guys about how I love colors in my recipes, so you know, hence you see all these colors that I'm adding with the herbs. Got that guys. I'm just gonna saute this for about roughly 4 to 5 minutes. Get rid of some of the acid in these herbs. So guys, after that 5 minutes of stir frying the herbs, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to add my minced chicken. Now you can add the cabbage first or whichever way you want, but I just add the chicken to get most of the flavors from this herb. There you go. This can even eat just like this. I wouldn't even need to cook the cabbage. Alright guys, so I'm going to gradually add cabbage to the mix. Remember guys that the cabbage is going to be steamed down, so it don't really matter for you to put the chicken in first, because everything is going to be incorporated. It looks full right now, but you know the steam is going to take down all that cabbage. Alright. I'm going to give it a little season now. I'll leave the measurement below. Of course, you know my Maggi has to be in it. A little black pepper. When this steam down now, I'll just stir everything in. And just a pinch of salt. When it's steamed down, you know, all of this will get to blend in. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna cover this up and let it steam. I'll check back in about 15 minutes guys, and we'll see the progress. Guys, checking back now. See that? Shrink. Just gonna get everything incorporated. Now guys, at this time you can add a little soy sauce just to give it some color. Additional color. As I said, you don't have to. Look at that. So this time the spatula comes in handy. I'm gonna give you guys a close-up shot. There it is. Now guys, when next you join me, I'll be just doing my last stir before the recipe is finished. Okay guys, here we are. And as I said before, I'd add some soy sauce just to give it that nice dark shade. Give you guys another close-up look. So guys, what I want you to do now, I want you to join me at the table. Okay guys, here we go. Look at that. Beautiful. Going a little bit closer. Thank you guys for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.